model, 2018 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3h2 Eprise. Spares or repairs needs a head gasket. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 131186. MOT, the 1st of April 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Head gasket needs replacing. Coolant is pressurizing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, tow hitch, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,575. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.